Everybody's trying to sell to YouTubers. I get questions all the time. How do you find YouTubers to reach out to? How do you find email addresses for YouTubers? So in today's video, I want to show you the easiest way to do this for free. Go on over to google.com and start by typing in this magic phrase: site youtube.com plus title plus country at gmail.com. For title, let's put in the title of the person you want to reach out to. Let's say you're going after coaches. So we will put in coach. And for country, let's put USA and hit search. Now you get a ton of results here, and you can see some of them have at gmail.com. Other ones have the full email address completely exposed. But how do you organize all this data? For that, you're gonna need a Chrome extension. I like this one, Email Extractor, free and unlimited. So go ahead and add that to Chrome. Now go down and make sure that it's pinned. Then over here, we're gonna reload the page. Go to Email Extractor and hit Scan for Emails. It's found 2 emails on this page, which is pretty good. So we're gonna copy them. Then you'll go to Google Drive and create a new Google Sheet. We'll call it YouTube Coach Leads, and we'll paste them in one at a time. As you go through the pages, you'll be able to go to 2 and then go to the next one, scan for emails again, copy the email, put it in, go to 3, scan for emails, copy the email addresses, put them in. Then when you're ready, you can just clean up this by hitting Control Spacebar and mousing over, delete where it says email, Control X and Control V if you're on a Windows computer, and now you have your list of emails. If you want to enrich these further, let's say you wanted a first name or a name of channel, all you have to do is go over here and type in site YouTube, and then put in the email address that you found, and then you've found the YouTube channel again. So you can go back in. So let's insert a row above. And so we'll call it email and channel name, and then we'll paste in the channel names here. Any other information you can also get. Let's say you want the URL. There you go. And the name, it's Luke's Sports Academy, so we know his name is Luke. First name, Luke. And you can repeat this for a ton of different YouTube channels as you go and get a bunch of free leads. You can even look at other stuff while you're on each page and see number of subscribers. And let's say we wanted to add that too, subscriber count. Of course, this is a super manual method. If you wanted to add AI or pay for other tools, you could do that as well. There's a ton of great ways to do it. And if you're willing to pay to skip the line, then go ahead and join Alex Berman Mastermind, where I go through all of my top secret tactics on how to get 5 to 10 new high-paying clients every single month. You can see we've helped people generate $1 million. We've helped people make 1.5 million. Some are making 306,000 in sales, and a ton are booking meetings every single day with their ideal clients. So if you want to do that, go on over to alexberman.com/mastermind. Now, if you want more lead gen hacks, I'm going to recommend a video in a second. You can click that, you can watch it and enjoy it. Otherwise, just subscribe, like this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.